This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 63 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. This issue we're continuing the inner forearm, as ever, as we're going to be doing for a little while, but we're going to flick through the magazine first. I'm not going to be reading any of these this week, so if you want to, feel free to pause and peruse at your own pleasure. Feel free. Nice pictures, but that's all it really means to me at the moment. This is what I'm here for. We've got another slice to put onto the inner forearm, yeah, a few more screws to hold that together. Basically, that's what we're doing, and then we'll continue on for the next few weeks going that way. So yeah, let's have a look through the rest of the magazine so you can look at that if you desire. And there we go. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this part assembled. So there we have another part for the build. Some more screws. We need 5. We've got 2 from last time, but they give us another 7, no doubt. So we'll empty those all out into there, and by the end of the month, we won't need to open a packet at all because we'll have enough spares. So this is going onto our build that we've been completing so far. Behind the scenes, I've tightened up all the screws to make sure they're nice and secure. This one looks like the middle bit, I should think. This is probably the outside. The shaping of it gives that impression. So that's going on there. We've got 2, 3, 4, 5, which are lining up on those 5 there. Should just slot in like that. Quite a nice curvature on there. So we shall once again get our 5 screws in on that, and then I shall come back and tighten them all up to make sure they're all where they should be. If you're liking the build, do leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I shall read them all. I reply to them all as well generally, so you know, let me know what's going on. YouTube likes interaction and engagement, they call it. So if you do like what you like what you like, if you like what you see and want to see more, then tell YouTube so by commenting, leaving a like and a subscribe and things. A lot of my viewers are not actually subscribed to the channel, so please do. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps out the algorithm and everything by kicking through and letting out YouTube know that people are watching and engaging. So there we go. That's that on there now. Another piece done. I'm pretty sure we're going to be continuing on the other side next time. So join me for that, and I'll see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.